Hey guys, my name is Sky, and today we're going to be talking about mewing and how to do it properly. So a lot of people have been asking me how to get the root of the tongue, how to get the tip of the tongue, how do I get the middle of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. So it's quite easy. Today I'm going to be showing you in my own mouth. I brush my teeth, but I do have yellowing issues, so it's not because I have unclean teeth. So don't worry about it. So if you want to keep on watching this video, please stick around, and I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Okay, so now you're watching the video and you're trying to learn how to do mewing properly. You've done research, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So I don't have an animation, but the next best thing is going to be you have to open my mouth and kind of like show you what's going on in my mouth. If you're wondering how I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to zoom in. Probably change the ISO. Maybe I'll use this lamp here. Looks disgusting, I know, but I'm going to show you how to do this right. So first I'm going to start with the root, and then I'm going to show you with my hand at the same time where I'm lifting. So here we go. Zoom out a little bit. I am lifting the root, and it's down here. Your root's back here, so you want to focus on this part. And then as you're lifting the root of the tongue, you want to lift the rest of the tongue along with it without losing the position in the back. Always start in the back because it's the best position. If you're wondering what hand movement I'm doing, just for visualization, root, middle, tip. And if a good representation visually would be that, you would go in the mirror and kind of like imitate that and practice that a couple times. And once you get the position and the movement right, hold that position permanently. Do not give up on that position. That would be your permanent resting posture for the rest of your life. And not only will your health improve, your looks will too. Of course, over the years. It takes about 3 years, I tell people. So that's how you mew properly. See you next time. My name is Sky. Subscribe. And yeah, bye. Okay.